A couple of days ago, we talked about how Samsung is bringing the flagship features to their popular Galaxy A lineup, such as the upcoming Galaxy A72 as well as the Galaxy A52. These two handsets will be the first Samsung mid-range phones to get a high refresh rate 120Hz display on the 5G versions, while the 4G versions will get a 90Hz display panel. But it looks like high refresh rate displays aren't the only flagship features coming to the Galaxy A lineup. Samsung is also bringing water resistance IP rating to the Galaxy A52 and A72, a feature that was only exclusive to the Galaxy S and Note lineup so far. According to new information, both the A52 and A72 will be IP67 rated for water resistance, which means you can submerge the phone underwater for at least 30 minutes while under 15 cm to 1 meters of water. Not only that, we also have the first official renders of the Galaxy A72 courtesy of Roland Quant, which shows the A72 will look identical to the A52 both from the front and back. In fact, the color options will also be the same, but there will be some changes in the specifications. According to Quant, the Galaxy A72 will get a telephoto camera as well, while the A52 will not. If true, then this will also be the first time that a mid-range Samsung handset is getting a telephoto camera. Apart from that, there will be a difference in the screen sizes, 6.5 inches versus 6.7 inches, and the battery capacity will also be different. 4500 versus 5000 mAh. Also, the camera specs are gonna be different. The Galaxy A72 will have a 64 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel wide angle, an 8 megapixel telephoto, and a 2 megapixel macro lens. But most importantly, Samsung is gonna price the Galaxy A72 more competitively this time. According to the European retailers, the 4G version of the A72 will start at 449 euros, which is 20 euros less than the starting price of the Galaxy A71. Interestingly, it looks like Samsung may not launch the 5G version of the A72 as per the latest information. So it seems you'll get the A52 in both 4G and 5G, while the A72 will be offered in only 4G variant. Also, both the A52 and A72 will have a microSD card slot as well as a headphone jack, something you don't find in their flagships. Now, what's not clear is whether or not Samsung is including the charger inside the box. When they launched the Galaxy S21 last month, they said more devices in the future will not have the charger bundled inside the box. Although it's unlikely for them to ditch the charger on these two mid-range phones, but don't be surprised if they actually do it. Anyway, just like their flagships, both of these handsets will get 3 years of major software updates. Samsung is expected to launch both of these handsets by the end of this month. Of course, with that being said, do let me know what do you think. Considering the specs and features, do you think the A52 and A72 are value for money handsets, or do you think they should have offered a better processor than Snapdragon 720G on the 4G version? Do let me know down in the comments. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.